It's not the coldness that gets to you, it's not knowing how they'll show up. So you stop relaxing, even on the good days. It starts small, reading their tone before you speak, checking their face before you relax. Slowly, you're not in the relationship anymore, you're managing it. Sometimes hot and cold comes from someone who never learned to name what they need. Sometimes it's a pattern that's being used on purpose. Either way, your job isn't to diagnose their intent, it's to stay grounded, regardless of which one it is. You'll see it in a partner who goes quiet after a hard conversation, a friend who's warm in person, then silent for weeks. Even further back, a parent who was affectionate one day, distant the next, and you learned early that closeness could disappear without warning. Different relationships, same pattern. Closeness, then a wall, no warning in between. Secure doesn't mean confronting every shift, and it doesn't mean staying silent either. Sometimes it's one sentence said once, not repeated 5 times. Sometimes it's no words at all, just steadiness held quietly while you wait to see who shows up next. Pause. You don't need to know which version of them is coming. You just need to know who you'll be when it arrives. Maybe you say something, maybe you don't. Either way, you stop chasing the warm version or punishing the cold one. You just keep showing up as the same consistent person, regardless of which version of themselves they choose to give. Okay, let's do a gentle recap. Here are 3 steps you can use today. Stop. Notice your chest tightening. Notice you're holding your breath. That's your cue to pause before you react. Regulate. Take the breath you are holding. Their warmth was never your source of stability. You are. Rebuild. Show up as the same person no matter which version of them you get. That's secure, and you can practice it today. The stop, regulate, and rebuild framework isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing to pause, come back, and try again. Secure communication isn't something people are born knowing, it's something they practice, one conversation at a time. And now you have somewhere to start. Just by being here, you're already doing the work. And that's not small, that's secure. If this resonated, like this video, leave a comment below with what landed most for you, and subscribe so we can keep doing this work together. Real growth and transformation happens one shift at a time. And if someone in your life needs this today, share it with them. That's how we turn conflict into connection together. We built something that walks right alongside you. Take it at your own pace. It's yours whenever you're ready. Free link in the bio. Play gently, learn boldly. Bye for now.